Today we are going to learn together about Surah Al-Ikhlas, verse 2. The verse says, Allahu Samad. Assalamu alaikum, friends. Hey everyone. Today we are going to learn together about Surah Al-Ikhlas, verse 2. The verse says, Allahu Samad. And it means Allah is the one we depend on. Friends, do you know something? All of us, yes, every one of us, needs Allah. We need Allah so we can live, so we can eat, so we can drink, so we can play, and so we can be happy. For example, when we feel thirsty, we drink water. But who gives us water? Allah. When we feel hungry, we eat food. But who gives us food? Allah too. Wow, Allah is amazing. When we feel scared, or sad, or confused, we can always talk to Allah, because Allah listens to us all the time. Allah is so strong. Allah never gets tired, never gets sleepy, never feels weak. Allah always protects us every single day. Let's imagine something, okay? A house is strong because it has pillars. Without pillars, the house will fall down, right? That's like us. We can be strong because Allah holds us up and takes care of us. Or think about a phone with no battery. If the battery is empty, the phone turns off. We live because Allah gives us energy all the time. Isn't that super cool? So friends, when we need something, don't forget to ask Allah first. Say, Ya Allah, please help me learn. Ya Allah, please protect me. Ya Allah, please help me. Allah loves it when we ask Him for help. And we should not be proud or boastful. If we win something, or draw a beautiful picture, or memorize a surah, it's because Allah gave us those abilities. So we should be humble and thankful. And don't be scared, friends. When we remember that Allah protects us, our hearts feel brave and calm, because Allah is the most powerful and always with us. And don't forget to say, Alhamdulillah, because Allah gives us so many good things every day. So, Surah Al-Ikhlas verse 2 teaches us that Allah is the one we depend on. We all need Allah, and Allah loves us so much. Thank you, friends, for learning today. I hope we become good children who always remember Allah. Bye, friends. Wassalamu alaikum.